Hayes, and welcome to my Content Calendar Framework course. This course is designed to help you save time while creating consistently meaningful content. If you feel like you never have enough content, or if you constantly have to create content on the fly, then this course is for you. First, we'll start by strategizing to create a framework, and then we'll put that framework into a template that you can use over and over again. This course is designed for current or future small business owners, people who are self-employed, bloggers, or even social media managers. Anyone who needs to optimize the amount of time they spend on marketing, but still wants to give their audience quality, personalized content. After taking this course, you'll be able to strategize a month of marketing in about an hour. And the class project is to do just that. Create your own personalized content calendar using the principles discussed in the following lessons. Let's get started.